Battleship round 2. This time we're doing teams. We've got me. We got this guy.
What's up?
It's going to be against these two kids. It's kind of a father versus son type of thing once more. Isn't that right, D?
Mm-hmm.
I'll whip your ass again.
You cheated last time.
I didn't know there was no cheating whatsoever. He wants to claim I was cheating, but it didn't happen. So we got the 22s out, right?
Yep.
22s out, ready to rock and roll. We're going to be hitting that battleship. We're going to do teams. One person on, one person off, back and forth until somebody wins. Okay, round 1. We're letting the kids go first. Well, that's what we got to figure out. Who's doing which? Pick a color.
Reds.
Pick a color.
Reds.
So you're shooting the red, and we're shooting the green.
Watch me completely miss and shoot the green.
Well, that's fine. You can knock out targets for us. That's all right. Still got to beat by 1.
I did it. I went to the right a little bit.
Yeah.
Wait.
IBB was sitting at 3-1. 3-1. All right. What's that mean? What's that mean? What's that mean? Sunken battleship. Look at that. Okay, after the final shot of the round, let's see who's the winner. Let's go with the red side first. Ready? Let's go. So, nope, not sunk. Got quite a few on that one.
Yeah,
Not
sunk
bad.
any.
Yep, they got that one.
That one.
Yeah, that one right there. So they got 1 sunken battleship versus 1 sunken battleship, 2 sunken battleships, 3 sunken battleships. I think Team Pulsifer Simmer is the winner chicken dinner. Wow. Between laser tag and shooting 22 battleship, the Simmers know how to shoot. Huh? Yeah. Say it. You gotta say it. You sunk my battleship.
Oh, Dad. Oh.
You gotta say it. Say you sunk my battleship. Say it. Say it. Say it. He won't say it. Won't you?
He sunk his battleship.
Put it right in the center there.
I'm kind of scared.
Scared me for a quick second. I didn't know it was going to be that loud.
Yeah, it's a little bit louder because it's a pistol and not a...
Oh, so if I flicked one, both of them will go down?
Yep. Doesn't matter which side you do. So, here's... Hold on. Come on, check your grip. So, put your other hand on it. So good, because you don't want your hand, this is a moving part, They went
Yeah,
back
it'll
and
slide
forth.
back.
So you don't want your hand anywhere near that when you're doing it. So perfectly fine. Put your safety on.
Jesus Christ.
Shoot one.
Ooh, okay. Dang.
What do you think about your first time shooting a pistol?
That was awesome.
Yeah, yeah.